The series 752, the edge devices, can be divided in two groups, edge controller and edge computer. Due to the wide number of interfaces, the edge controller can be integrated into almost any application. CAN, Modbus, EtherCAT and BARCnet are available for data access. Data forwarding to the cloud can be realized via OPC UA and MQTT. But this is not all. 4 additional digital inputs and outputs are integrated in the edge controller. With the included runtime, you can upload a project directly to the device. On the other hand, due to the support of Docker technology, you have the possibility of executing apps, so-called containers, and processing data with them.